and the client in say uncle appeal. And Macquarie Monodia, BBNC will be quite. Say judge, and my team now to say Uncle Yamau, and as a woman I saw and Mraquaimoa, who team the court appeal. Court na ye any high court. Court your court of appeal way any your Supreme Court away any. Obetimi aqua appeal. Aqua hesse obetimi aden asesa. Ntemuafo no the judgment no ano na medical no ache atemu ni fare bai ho no appeal no ebe ye den na yeso ye mpene se odi adanse fufu bia be den ebeba entini ne waye dada na odi ko dada na marriage certificate ni start na egbo ebrana na odi ko ho edia ye nim ne besi wo ho but so okoho dia e ho so dia yefie ba because yefie a law firm no Supreme Court Court of Appeal dia e bia ye di agro High Court ni na ye di agro court ni na ye di agro e be bia pon na ma ntino enya dia esu ewo na se okọ appeal na se onko no
Ekam, that's a pa. That's it. Me pacho, lawyer kusi, and then a client, mame Akosua Serwaa. Menyan intie some pese omukofo appeal. Pacho bitimi aka bibi kakrafa appeal no one. Ana ehia sa omukofo appeal ana.
No question me say me hwe interview no. Na ono ka che say e wom say atemu the dehusemi enije semi onyintu na one ne client akasa na ne client ne say onko appeal embakwa mo no de BBNC obi kwan say judge emma temu na osusu say anko yi ama na so woni na so wo emra kwan mu a utim de ko appeal court na ye ko any high court court your court of appeal we any your Supreme Court away any obetimi akwa appeal akwa hese obetimi aden asesa ntemuafo no the judgment no ano na medical no ache atemu ni fare bai ho no appeal no ebe ye den na yeso ye mpene se odi adanse fufu bia be den ebeba entini ne waye dada na odi ko dada na marriage certificate ni start na egbo ebrana na odi ko ho edia ye nim ne besi wo ho but so okoho dia e ho so dia yefie ba because yefie a law firm no Supreme Court Court of Appeal dia ye bia ye di agro ho High Court ni na ye di agro ho ye di agro ho pa enye bia yesuo e bia ye ti ko e ko kan ya asem di nkonim ti so dia be ko ha ye twen yo di bro ha ye biepu na ma ntino enya dia esuo ewo na se okọ appeal na se onko no eyi ne nhihye affect no
ba haye brakwajo media bronba this year amaka kwantuma minya lo fe na da bi amaka we don't have to sleep and I say me na media sana me media netie Mami Akosua Serwaa issue there say metimi adade enye possible we have to just come in na niema nyina aye kama me so afa na wa join abomoda na tap screen no mami na se na ye nyina ye ntumi eni nkomo no e ma nye de mesero so afa na wa join here that's the least you can do for me just tap the screen say na ye nyina no ye ma sheet 45.3 sheets. God bless you. Yamishraw. Enti yebedi nkomo na ya chereche niema na ya tenema bi ase. Menim say ebia somewhere no ebia wate ho asem obabi. But let's dive into it. Na yeni ho nkomo. Mechia mommy 44 mommy na apom to say product of grace mommy so metia sa eso na me ma ba kon nana so metia abusia yenim komo no free ha me bo lawyer Dominic ne voice we enye eniya old voice old voice. It was right after ruling no 28 ruling na course no. It was right after then and this interview was granted enye niya but ehua be here say I had to revisit the audio until na mami bo audio no. I say oka sembi esi say even say if there is going to be a appeal krana it won't affect the year no. Say what I say and you know a year no date ne then near a course nyina so etina I had to just revisit because you are coming to talk about the appeal. Na yemfa ensem ba kumienu bi emfiri mo na ono na adwenkyere no me di aba be si ma asem no so ma mefa odi enu bi o
lawyer kusi kan that's it
me so what join at tap screen no ma
that's it me pacho lawyer kusi ene ne client ye ma me Akosua Serwaa me nya ne ntie so ompese omukofo appeal pacho bitimi aka bibi kakra fa
me hwe interview no na ono catches
okay mami fan free lawyer Dominic na asem no mami bubu no tot say apetishi aye bubu no brokios si no na ono according to lawyer Dominic no atemuo dew amama kai AB Crystal na nyum bi a omoto nyum bi se Mosise o kwandam to ka dew no sa nyum no ebesi mitim wa wonti Moses nyum ya no Dominic na dum asem ne se wasi den ruling na ekoso no ye can saying leadership Dorinda Smith leadership can say Mame Dorinda Smith atahono na wono no wate but intia na wate ne say odi emfa free
na on the client asa and the client ne say onko appeal e ba kwa mo no de bibia nsi obi kwan
was it then lawyer kusi say on the client Mame Akosua Serwaa fosu akasa say Mame no say ruling no ASF say ruling no na koma enyu so eti sa na tie a omo enko appeal lawyer Dominic enum asem kire say appeal de obi abetimi akọ na amama kai honorable Asiedu Nketia NDC chairman na asem bia okay say quote and quote any idiot can go to court and obetimi akọ mra si ho kwan why not because they can go to court.
As when you so what emra kwan mu a team the court appeal court na ye koye ne high court court ye court of appeal we nim ye supreme court e we ni obetimi akwa appeal akwa say obetimi aden asesa ntemuafo no the judgment no ano na medical no ache atemu ni fareba no appeal no ebe ye den na yeso ye mpene se odi adanse fufu bia be den ebeba
Wasi eye appeal na maame Akosua Serwaa fosu epese wone ne lawyers no kono to ono lawyer Dominic tiu ono de wajitum se ebeye din na mbom omoso nye bayira abrewajo saa na ono so pe yes ono no jitum as a lawyer no se ebeye din ama omo but omoso nye bayira abrewajo se omo betena ase se ebia maame Akosua Serwaa fosu then lawyer kusi enfo omo pieto entwe anwea eti they are not going to just accept it na ade baako a o making emphatically clear ne say they were not going to admit any new evidence before the court. See, that's the underlying word. They are not going to accept any new material evidence and now whatsoever before the court. Or no, no. They were not and they are not to or no lawyer Dominic no asemna or cannot say or more. Okay. O de inya botere na enkoso.
Ni waye dada na wodi ko.
Dada
na marriage certificate ni extract na egbo ebrana na o areba. Ya tin. Na yeso ye mpene. Se wodi adanse fufu bia be den.
Eti omo ni problem bia e that aspect nyina eti opese ye nyina ye ti asese se maame Akosua Serwaa se or the new evidence e ba be ka eye the extract ni marriage certificate na maame Dorinda Smith ata Angie Antum no ho a they are not going to accept but that extract na ema maame no omo bo na asem to go se onye yire ene niema no ene sa dada na e wo se eba before the court. According to Omono, you kind of say, Professor Dr. Emeritus Asante Kwasiu, they are not going to accept anything new. Okay, what do you mean, Komono? What I said, that's the law. No, I say, na yenchiro nyansa. Why? Nyabotere waba nyansa for platforms. No, this is educational platform. Nyabotere. Why? Na me board ya wi aba betiro nyansa na what chie nyansa ka
because if fear the law firm no Supreme Court of Appeal there bia ye di agro High Court ni na di agro
High Court ba bia mu di agro
anye bia yesu bia ye ti ko e ko kan ya asem edi nkonim ti so de be ko ha ye twen
eti se maame Akosua Serwaa ne lawyer den lawyer kusi se omo de omo be ko ha omo twen omo they have nothing to worry about omo de omo lazy omo boot ase omo jesi they are just waiting for say ye be ko park ne so na referee abona be pepper to South Africa ne Mexico na chese get them titete na chese eno no me pacha maka asem we say it isn't new audio wa follow me from Ashase no was me maka say it isn't new audio audio right after the ruling no I think said the next day or so after the ruling no and lawyer Dominic granted this interview a old one a new one because he made it emphatically clear say in as much as Maame Akosua Serwaa ne lawyers eba beko appeal no it wouldn't affect the funeral. The date of the funeral ne ade no it's old audio myself nti na make say here's an educational platform nti enya abotere na the reason why mama drag this audio no because of appeal na asase no now why is Maame Akosua Serwaa going for appeal notice of appeal and that's on make kan ntwereye ne ya na esusa nti me say mo fa ncheme enya abotere pa please take notice that the plaintiff herein being aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgment of the High Court, that's Kumasi, more particularly stated herein and contained in the judgment of the Ladyship Justice Dorinda Smith Atta, sitting in at the High Court, Kumasi, and dated on the 28th day of November 2025. DG hearing appeal to the court appeal against the decision upon the grounds set out in the paragraph 3 and blah blah blah. No wo eho ebeko ho. Etiwe preamble say 28 November 2025. Ayem her ladyship Mame Dorinda Smith atata na dwam na Oma ruling otie nsem nyina no oma ruling say Mame Akosua Serwaa na nsem na ode baaye ene certificate ni ade no nyina ono no tena ase na ohwem na otie evidence ni niam bia na ogituma enyeye according to Mame no. That was the ruling. Enti Wont me nje Mame Akosua Serwaa entum say we legally married, legally tieu, we legally married woman who is the only surviving spouse of Charles Kwadwo Fosu. That was the brofo ni nyina summarization ten nyina no say onu ntimi ntina se nji ntum say emra kwan so no Mame Akosua Serwaa Fosu eye emra kwan so oba ya ware no se onu nkwa na ye yire a ote ase ewo mra kwan so ya ware no analumba ware no enti ne nkrota ene de keka ho nyina wo de bae no wo boni nyina atu agu a wato atwene na mbom wotena ase na otie nsem no di ni nyina gu nsani ani no wo hu se ampa Mame Akosua Serwaa Fosu ya wade no ewa amamre kwan so around 90s ya wade no ewa amamre kwan so enti eno de Charles Kwadwo Fosu aware na o wade no wa amamre kwan so no de ogitum because evidence ni bibia kire say eno no de ogitum say ya wade na amamre kwan so. Now don't forget say other part no ema yeti ase say sa amamre kwan so aware no kra no agu. Don't forget about that aspect. Say omuma ye beti ase say eye Mame Akosua Serwaa Fosu e de nensa ekoto enaso eye amesa naso. That's what they made us understood. Say Mame Akosua Serwaa Fosu e de nensa na ye de be ware no wo de akoto eye nsamampom eye Mame Akosua Mame ye kan say lumba Mame amesa enaso because when nipa da sani bia mananje enti na wo say okoja ware no e wa asieye for the first time in history. Say ma hu say nsamanfo agu aware. It is only enkrofo ene timi kire say ampa nsamanfo timi gu aware. E ma nipa da sani ana enkrofo sabio ewa adwene wo mutim etimi gitum say ene ampa nsamanfo timi gu aware. Eti amama be chance say nsamanfo timi gu aware de wa nsamanfo timi gi aware. Eti say sabisa wo Mame no papa wu a na wo mpese busuani biara baji utinsa wo so be ma nsa na makwasieye na wakọ we de ma da we de be ma manya ni Kwadwo Tibon koso te se de ametie na o se obe ware me ene ma ne da yensa ni o na e de ato ho ya wie aware no obi antimi meka nkire se enya aware because enkrofo bi ma eti asese Mame Akosua Serwaa Fosu timi de nsa akwakoto amusieye eye Mame amesa naso enti aware no agu ema yenya sabi sorry say me use that word ajimifo bebre wo Ghana ema mutimi gitum se nsamafo timi gu aware enti aya na metwa na mehwe dada opponent na ye ne omu edi djuma na I ask myself say how do these people think logically? Is it say omu thinking in reverse opposite and answer them? Aya na medwene ho amentia say because samutimi ka say sabi obedience akwakoto aseye nipa no maami awu nipa no maami wuye no owo fafo owo nuama owo nanafo wo si obi anyensa no Ofaya Poku anje, Mame Brimpoma anje, Fosti anje, Mame Georgina Jelfi anje, Mame Adoma, Omo anje, Obi anje o. But Mame Amesa awa wusa da kamrem, etimi je nsano ma ware gui. Ema yeji tumu Ghana. And we had a whole lot of bunch of story to say, stupid idiots. And they were happy, say our no agu. Because omo de nsa akwakoto and naso. Let's take it from there. Yenja I don't know to. But yeko court no. Mame Dorinda Smith ata ema ye kire say no san krofo ni nyina na omo kan san ensam no omo ya jimifo omo nim nyansa. Enye sa na even our yegu no. Enti ehwo no kra na e wasa kire mo say sa jimi kasa na mo be kan no. Court na kire mo say mo ya jimifo. Sorry, no, I have to say it. Yes, I'm trying to insult. But that's the fact. For you to even jubilate, say, court na ruli amamo na mani age say, ya worry president for inti mani age. The court was telling you people say, you were so stupid enough to admit say, obedience akwa akoto naso nti, even traditional marriage no kuragu. And we had impayinfo asabi omu dwene ewo omutim. Dwene ewo omutim no omo abode say, and they were supporting this statement. Boldly coming on air, declaring say our arena good because Mami Akosua Serwaa densa akwa akoto asieye. That's just by the way. Eti appeal don't say eye rule na Mami Dorinda Smith ata etna eye Kumasi High Court dated 28th of November 2025. Emma ruling say Mami Akosua Serwaa asem no here in the case the marriage certificate ni extract ne ne keka ho no wodi tuma enye eti maame no yaware no na yaware no amamre kwan so enye mra kwan so eti sa na tie dia yaware President Ofori ni na mu senior obegina mu edi asem no e kire say obeye witness no e kire say ampa President so yaware no ewa amamre kwan so eti yaware Mami Akosua Serwaa ewa amamre kwan so e na yaware President Ofori so amamre kwan so therefore omumienu nyina no lumba aware wo nti omunkoye kuna e na abushapanyini den Kofi Usuji tum se omumienu nyina no court say onkonkoye na ayi na omumienu nyina ayere enti Kofi Usu den ebetena Maame no koye no Semfanti New Town was Ashanti New Town no court anje antum it about before the court. To my best of knowledge, I'm not a lawyer, but to my best of knowledge, so obi edi you can say forged document about before the court. Minim say ni pano wababe ye is a criminal offense. Fabricated evidence and I say bibi edi before the court na say muhu na enye no kra. To my best of knowledge, me say a criminal offense, which in this case, Mami Akosua Serwaa was up to be arrested. The lawyer ni nyina na nke was e che omo because you have fabricated evidence. Edi aba before the court. Edi eba be so mo na matrobo fo no perjury me da say. Say obi di eba ababe dada court ne say adena media aba no eye genuine eye authentic, meanwhile eye fabricated or forged. E wasn't kamoche no seriously minyansamu. I'm not a lawyer. Minyansamu no na nke wasa mochi Mami Akosua Serwaa fosu eni se na nka mo mane ko because what the evidence are Abba before the court no say the thing was not there, it does not exist. And wa fabricate, wa forge, edeba abe support the case before the court. Eti said there be mu kabro for his perjury. Eti wasan ka mu chi Mami Akosua Serwaa fosu. Ene ne lawyer ni nyina ka sa mu chi wo mo. Enti adentina muja omomo omokoye. I've been thinking about this for all this while. This is the second time I think I make one answer. Because my na omo anche no, my dwene ho amenti ase. Because at say obi abedi adanse kru mu e wo court. Na ye hu akire. At least nipa no ye nya no kwakwa. Eti se mami Akosua Serwaa for su nya akokoduro. Etimi di fake said ya mumu putu no fake marriage certificate edi ba court na court wa ntimi anche no then I say court no minim yam na me be kire omo adwuma but mi hu say court no ho no omo anya omo adwuma yi mi hu say sa side no that fake marriage certificate na maame no forgery edi ba no ama omo anche maame no me hu say court no wanya na adwuma yi because na nka wo say oche maame Akosua Serwaa fosu because said the enkrofo e kan is perjury, fabricated evidence before the court. Enti ade na muja amane koye. Why did you do that? Ebia de say yakọ emranimfo no omoso kire but ma dwimu ne kakra ye hu e wo wiase ne de yate no so obi the fabricated and answer false evidence eba court a nipa no ye nja no kwa say ye nche no kura ntuma ye boneka the man is some kind of punishment and bibi ma ye hu sampa ade na evidence na ode buy no wa forgery a fake. And the other opponent now so they are jubilating say the woman brought in fake document no then adentina mama no mo anche no why because I am one kakra that's just by the way enti enko so enti appeal no nyina said the make no na the part of the judgment na maame Akosua Serwaa ene ne lawyers e complain no anase maame no e complain no one was it judgment ni nyina no a maame Dorinda Smith ata edi buy on the 28th day of November 2025 no court judgment na or the buy from A to Z when you be free the whole judgment no and now really no nyina no maame no hu say court no ene na ni ye enti se ogituma enye ye the whole court ruling no eye maame Dorinda Smith ata e dey buy on the 28th November 2025 no maame Akosua Serwaa say opese court no ti ase dey ti okwa appeal ni say the whole ruling from crane from A to Z A to Z bakokra no ogituma yeye ti ono de nti okwa appeal no nye se waji ni nyina tuma ba bie no a wogituma e ma ne yeye dabi wasi wogituma anye it let's go to grounds of appeal no akasa yanko wasi the high court held when it held that the marriage certificate exhibited B1 and B2 was not admitted. Wase sa ni marriage certificate maame Akosua Serwaa sa ni marriage certificate na wadi ba na eye exhibit no exhibit B1 any B2 na eye ono akasa ni marriage certificate woni Charles Kwadwo Fosu eye ode ba eye Kumasi High Court her ladyship Dorinda Smith ata kire say wodi tuma enye ye nti yan ware no wamra kwan so no wose ene ye one grounds enti okwa appeal because sa marriage certificate no ene man ho kwan say ono pe ne ye the only legal surviving spouse of Charles Kwadwo Fosu, but in this case it was squashed off, it was thrown away because omo kire say the keka woni ade nyina they cannot ascertain the credibility and whatever of the certificate, the authenticity. That was the correct word. They said they couldn't verify the credibility and the authenticity or whatever of the home marriage certificate. So they couldn't authenticate. Nti omo di tuma yeye. Ena ma omo to twene. Omo ato atwene says not authentic. Sa yakase bibi ye authentic a. I think said the opposite of authentic is you can say sa we no synthetic.